don't kid around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Hello guys, magandang umaga sa inyo. Ayan si Adrian, busy driving.
As always.
As always guys. So nagbabalik, we're back guys. Nagbabalik ang aming vlog. Sa tagal ko hindi nag-vlog, no? Siguro more than 1 month na hindi ako nag-vlog. So guys, ngayon ay aalis kami ni Adrian, no? Obvious naman nasa car kami. Pupunta kami sa shopping mall, sa isang shopping mall na medyo malapit sa amin. Mga 54 minutes. Yun na yung pinakamalapit. Yung isa maliit lang na mall eh. Yung mga 25 minutes. Pero ito ay 54 minutes. Ganun. So, aalis kami ngayon dahil mamimili. Adrian is going to shop some of his clothes, guys. Some of his stuff. Kasi si Adrian ay going to travel to America. Very sad. Very sad, guys. Pero si Adrian
Very sad on two
smiling.
counts. I have to spend a load of money, and also I have to leave home for a whole week.
Oo. Very sad. This is the very first time, guys, na magkakahiwalay kami ng very long time na almost 1 week. Babe, right?
Yeah.
Almost 1 week because you will leave on Sunday.
Sunday morning till Thursday afternoon.
No, Friday.
Thursday.
I thought it's Friday.
I thought it was Friday as well, but it's Thursday.
Oh, good. So,
Is that right? Yeah, but
yeah, because
it's making me doubt it now, but yeah. Because, so my meetings are on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then you're really making me worry now, actually. I need to double check everything.
So anyway guys, pupunta nga si Adrian. So yun nga guys, pupunta si Adrian sa America guys. Meron siyang importanteng meeting, very important meeting, business trip. So syempre hindi naman niya kami pwedeng isama, may pasok si Riona at saka puro work niya doon, puro trabaho yon. So ito na yung first time na magkakahiwalay kami, very first time na ngayon ay magkakahiwalay kami matagal. Nalulungkot nga siya eh. He is very nervous nga kasi he's not nervous. He is very sad nga. We both very sad.
Oh, I'm nervous that my flights are wrong.
He's nervous also pala.
Thursday. Oh, yeah. Sorry, you're right. Yeah, so my flight there is Thursday at 10 o'clock at night. But I won't get home until Friday afternoon.
Friday pa uwi niya. So aalis siya dito ng umaga ng Sunday. Tapos ang balik niya Friday na ng hapon. So yun nga, nalulungkot din kami dahil nga hindi kami sanay na we never get used without Adrian. We never get used to without you, babe. So yun guys, ang aming ganap today ay bibili kami. We're going to shop some stuff for Adrian. Kasi si Adrian some of his clothes, he did, every time we go to mall, he did not shop for himself. So pag-shopping natin si Mr.
Well, and I need like 4 straight days worth of business clothes, and I don't really have that at the moment. So yeah.
Well, this is also Adrian's first time going to America, guys. And I don't know if he can able to film or he can able because he's gonna be very busy and it's a long travel.
Yeah.
And he is going with his boss.
Yeah.
Siyempre, mahihiya naman siya.
I don't think I'm going to have, sorry for interrupting, Lionel, I don't think I'm going to have any time really on my own. So
it's okay. Yeah. Just take some photos so you will have remembrance.
I'll try. I'm not going to take I wasn't going to take the action cam or anything like that this time.
I know, I understand, babe. Because I know, last time, nanggaling din siya sa Paris, kailan lang din,
The
no?
barber's trying to call me again. Hang on, let me speak to him. Sorry, darling.
Purple up.
So what do you fancy for breakfast?
What about you? What do you like for breakfast?
Eggs and bacon.
I know. Alam niyo si Adrian, guys, no, sa breakfast niya, nag-uusap kami ni Adrian kung anong breakfast yung kakainin namin pagdating namin sa mall. Kasi parang wala silang masyadong option sa breakfast dun eh. Kung di mga pastry, what is it, waffle, babe? Like that.
Yeah, I don't really want. I want like a pastry's not really enough, and waffles. I don't want waffles.
Maybe we'll go again in a Japanese miso. What is it? I'm
No,
fancy
I don't
the
want that.
ramen really, but it's up to you. Maybe it's too early for ramen. No,
Yeah,
open.
maybe on the way out or something. But
That's my alarm. So yun lang guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga ganap namin mamaya. Muna kami dito sa loob ng mall. Ito Leon's Sausage.
do you want me to give a review of the Leon coffee? It's like a posh McDonald's breakfast, isn't it?
It's like posh McDonald's breakfast. Organic coffee pala to. Yan.
The nice
So,
cups, isn't it?
dito kami sa mall, guys. Andito kami sa Leon.
I was a rebel without a cause, living out of the blue. Used to think I knew it all, but didn't have a clue. And love was just a game, wore my heart on my sleeve. Nothing scared me anyway, nothing could ever break me. Now I'm falling down. Thought I'd have it figured out by now, but I'm not fine. She's 30, should do it with grace, but I'm not okay. Still the world keeps turning. I need a break. I can't escape myself. This roller coaster of emotions and the person I'm becoming. Still learning, pushing 30. I always used to chase the stars, tried shifting light. Now I don't get up, I'm not looking for a fight. I've been seeking my whole life, racing to the finish line, but I'm still on the run while they're settling down. Now I am falling, yeah. I thought I'd have it figured out by now, but I'm not fine. Pushing 30, should do it with grace, but I'm not okay. Still the world keeps turning. I need a break. I can't escape myself. This roller coaster of emotions and the person I'm becoming. Still learning, pushing 30, going out swinging, falling.
So guys, good morning sa inyo, no? Medyo na-late ko na yung pag-film. Kasi we're busy and Adrian is going to America today. Today he's going to travel to America. This is the first time, guys, na magkakahiwalay kami ng matagal. Kaya kagabi pa lang, nag-iyakan na kami. You just shaved last night and you have a beard again.
I don't really. A little bit on my chin.
This is your favorite hoodie.
Yeah.
Para tong amang ko kung ano paborito niya kahit na yun pa rin lagi sinusuot.
I want to be comfortable on the flight.
Yeah, I know. You like amang. Favorite Stop. Favorite clothes. Keep wearing it. But this is very comfortable anyway on the plane. You brought smart clothes. No, may dala siyang mga pang-office na damit, pang-meeting. So, Adrian will go to Chicago. Yun yung shoes na bago na binili namin nung isang araw. Nung nagpunta kami sa Blue Water, guys. When we went to Blue Water, that's the shoes we got.
Yeah.
Tsaka marami siyang napamili na
Sale.
Oo, we got on sale. Tsaka marami siyang napamili na na mga smart clothes na dala niya. Take care, babe. Yan lang ang dala niya, ito. So guys, ayun nga, gumawa siya ng mga appointment niya. Yung sinulat niya yung itinerary niya. Tama ba? Yun, sinulat niya para i-check ko kung ano. Kasi magkaiba yung time ng US tsaka ng UK. So, ito yung aming labas, no. Napakaganda. Nakita niyo yung puno na yon. Ayun, may mga na siya. May mga dahon na.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face.
So, guys, sinatid ko si Adrian sa baba, no. Iyak kami na iyak. Iyakan kami na Naiyak tuloy ako. Iyak siya, naiyak kanila dun sa labas kanina. Habang nahatid ko siya. Iyak na iyak. Iyak tuloy ako naging tatak kasi hindi na kami magkakagaling ng tagal. And ganon, dahil sa work. So, abangan natin yung pagbabalik niya, guys. Hello guys, magandang hapon sa inyo. Bali hapon na dito, alas 6 na dito guys. Andito na si Adrian, dumating na siya. Bali, umalis siya Sunday, tapos Friday ngayon. So 5 araw siya doon mahigit sa Chicago. So 5 araw siyang mahigit doon sa Amerika guys. So may dala siyang munting pasalubong sa amin ni Riona. Yung kay Riona, nandun na sa bedroom niya, tuwan-tuwa ang bata. Ang cute ng mga regalo niya kay Riona tsaka yung lalagyan ng pretzel na Wala daw siyang masyadong mabili na mga souvenirs dun. So, pero okay naman to. Ang cute, oh. Yan. Chicago. Ganda. Cute. Pamalengke, guys. Ang cute, oh. Kahit hindi pamalengke, pagpunta-punta sa town, oh. Diba? At binili pa niya ako ng charan. Bago to, oh. Ayan, oh. I mean, meron pa palang oh. Ayan. Yun nga, nabanggit ko nga sa vlog ko, diba, yung bago pa lang dito sa channel namin. So, galing nga siya sa Amerika, guys, dahil sa business trip. So, ito, galing sa Chicago. Habang nanonood daw siya ng, ba yun, ng football ba yun? Is it football, babe? The one you watch in stadium? Baseball, sorry, guys. Habang nanonood siya ng baseball. Bago siya manood ng baseball, may nakita yata siyang, iba pala yung cup niya. Ito pala yung binili niyang, yung nanood siya ng baseball sa stadium sa Chicago. Ayan. Ito yung, niya. Nabili niya doon. Tapos inuwian din niya si Rion ng ganyan. Tapos ito naman, ewan ko saan niya nabili to doon kung sa souvenir shop o sa airport. Ganda. Yan, tamang-tama. Painit na, pa-summer na dito. Tsaka ito, ayan. Cute, di ba guys? Pagpunta-punta sa town. Cute. So, dumating nga siya ang hina. Kaninang tanghali, nagpapahinga lang siya. Ayaw daw niya matulog, pagod nga siya. Ayaw daw niyang matulog dahil masisira yung routine ng tulog niya. So, inaaya niya akong lumabas. Kakain daw kami dito sa Thai restaurant. Ay, ito pa pala. Uwi niya pala to sa kay mother. Ayan. Fridge magnet. Ayan, para kay mother. Mother Lily. Para kay nanay. Ayan. Meron pa akong isa dito, yung sa London, tsaka yung sa Paris, yung galing siya. Ayan. So, tawag dito. Kasi yung fridge naman namin na to, hindi mo madidikitan ng magnet. At tsaka, lagi niya naaalala si nanay. Kapag siya doon, na pagka pupunta siya sa ibang bansa, yun, inuwian niya ng Kay mother yan. So, yun guys, kaya naman tuwan-tuwa ako. Ang cute-cute. Tsaka ang ganda ng tela niya. Ayan. So, lalabas kami ngayon guys kasi ayaw niyang matulog. Pagod nga siya. Ayaw niya agad matulog kasi 6 pa lang dito. Masisira daw yung ano ba, nauutal ako. So, ayaw pa niya matulog guys. Kahit pag napagod siya, masisira daw yung routine ng tulog niya. So, inaya niya akong kumain kami sa labas. Yun, sweet. At tawag dito para mamaya na daw siya matulog kahit pagod siya. So si Riona naman, hindi namin kasama ngayon dahil may kasama din siya na mga friends niya. Dahil may kasama si Riona ng mga friends niya, kakain din sila sa labas. Birthday ng kaibigan niya eh. So kakain sila sa labas. Diyan din lang sa town. So sabi ko kay Riona, pagtapos nilang kumain, kung tapos na sila, maaga silang matapos, message ako para puntahan niya kami dun sa restaurant. So, ang cute guys, no? Pagka walking day namin, madadala to dyan sa town. So, yun guys, nakakatuwa dahil andito na si Adrian. Kaya masaya na naman ako. Masaya na naman kami ni Riona. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung weather, no? Alas 6 na dito, pero para lang alas 2. Kasi tirik na tirik yung araw. Ayan, nakita nyo yung mga halaman ko, hindi nyo nakita nung namulaklak yan kasi hindi ko na-i-vlog. Ayan, nanta na yung pang spring yun, pag namumulaklak, pang spring. Namatay na nga yung isa, naarawang masyado. Tapos ito, hindi ako nagtanim pa ng pa-summer. Medyo maaga pa kasi. Niisip ko pa nga kung magtatanim ako kasi aalis kami. So, bali, hinihintay ko lang si Adrian at lalabas na kami. You miss me?
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I was.
Ay, hindi pala nakasara yung bag ko. Look good, babe.
I'm a bit fat.
Oh, you will lose weight. Good.
Tired.
No. Eat now, babe. That is siphon, right? I saw a squid.
Oh yeah. Okay.
A squid and this is Yona would be jealous. Kain tayo, guys. Ito yung starter namin. Meron pa kaming order na 2 ata o 3. Kain tayo, guys.